Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Masser, along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some stocks on the move on this Friday. Bloomberg News equities reporter Alexandra Semenova in the house. Alex, where shall we begin?
We got to start with Apple, guys, because there is a big scoop right now from none other than our own Mark Gurman on this. Apple has developed a ChatGPT-like iPhone app to help test and prepare for a long-anticipated overhaul of Siri. The company's AI division is using the app to evaluate new features for Siri, Apple's voice-powered assistant, of course. That includes testing the ability to search through personal data, such as songs and email, and perform in-app actions. But at this point, it's just going to be Apple employees testing the app, so not accessible yet to people like ourselves.
All right, let's get to Wayfair. This is certainly that and RH we've been talking about a lot today.
Yeah, that is a sector that's been in focus today. Shares of furniture retailer tumbling after President Trump announced that the U.S. will enact new tariffs on imported kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, and other home products next week. RH is seeing its stock fall, and it's had a really difficult year given all of the tariff announcements. Its CEO has been a critic of Trump's trade policies. We're also seeing Wayfair fall. In a social media post on Thursday, Trump said that these kinds of imported products have been flooded into the U.S. He said that a 50% tariff will go on cabinets, vanities, and associated products.
I mean, Oracle, it's up 70% so far this year, but today, not so much because that TikTok U.S. deal that it'll be a part of, it's getting a $14 billion valuation that is a lot lower than most people were anticipating. And obviously, investors are disappointed to hear this. That was kind of a rough estimate at this point. J.D. Vance said that this could be a different number, and it'll be at the discretion of the companies that are buying it. That is Oracle. And of course, it's working with Silver Lake management on this. But we'll see. It definitely has been a fantastic year, as you mentioned, for Oracle, up about 75% in 2025. First, it had that earnings report where it really wowed investors with its guidance, and then, of course, being a part of this deal.
It does feel like the last couple of weeks or last month that Oracle just seems so connected to so many kind of upbeat things, and it has certainly propelled that share price higher.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.